Yes.
Hello, guys. Today we have a Fates Collide booster pack, and that we're going to be opening.
So, open it up.
Come on. Hopefully this will open. Here we go.
And then I'm gonna do a card trick with it. It'll show you the rare. So now here, take the... Here, so... Now we're going to open up this. The code card. Here. 1, 2, 3. We have Dome Fossil Kabuto. Shuckle. Lasses Special. A Coughing. A Diglett. A Mincineo. Riolu. Carbink. And Reverse Hollow Lasses Special. And for the rare of the deck, a Hollow Delphox.
That's sick.
In a poll challenge, that would be worth 2 points, but we're not doing any challenges right now, so...
And I'll show you guys the code
It's
card.
just an awesome card.
So the code... Okay. Code is MNW TGMMKN6JFC for XY Fates Collide.
So now
And we also have an evolution set with a booster pack. It is the Litwick evolution.
And...
Could you open it up, Sophie?
Here.
So it includes the 3 evolution.
I don't know if we can get this very easily. Here we go. We have a XY Phantom Forces pack. And we already know what those other cards are.
And I'll show you guys
So
the
here we
code
go.
card again also.
Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3. We've got Enhanced Hammer, Boldor, Tierno, Pumpkaboo,
Ooh, that's cool.
Goomy, Krabby, Bunnelby, Puccina, a Hollow Bunnelby, and for the rare of the pack, a Hollow Regigigas.
That's epic!
That's really cool. Unfortunately, it uses up a lot of energy.
But it's still really cool.
Anything, but it's still an awesome card. So that's it for today. This is the Winged Bolt.
And Pika Master.
Signing out.
No. I need to show them the code card. YNU4SPNMJ7CAK for XY Phantom Force.